I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose Action. Choose Type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next. Now search for Action MailerLite. Give a name. For API token, visit MailerLite API token form here. Click on Generate API token. Give a name. Now click on Create Token. Copy API token. Paste it here. Now click on Authorize. Authorized, successfully done. Now click on Next. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to MailerLite dashboard. Click on Subscribers. You can see subscriber created successfully in MailerLite. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.